Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on keeping the top menu bar permanently visible on Mac. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by clicking the Apple icon in the top left corner of the desktop. Choose System Settings from the menu that appears. Scroll down the System Settings and click Desktop and Dock. Scroll down to the menu bar category, and where it says Automatically Hide and Show Menu Bar, you want to click on the writing to the right. Click Never. The menu bar will now permanently be at the top of your Mac screen. Now, even when you are in full screen mode, the menu bar will remain at the top of the screen. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Mac tips and tricks.